at the Warner Brothers studio tour, and I'm gonna get copyrighted so heavily. Oh, we went here first. Oh, this is dangerous. Welcome to vlog, everybody.
Welcome back.
Hi, say hi, everybody say hi, vlog. This is the surrealist moment of my entire life. I don't know what's going on. This is insane. It's Dumbledore's office. This is the coolest place in the entire universe. Haul time. So, I got four things. First, I got this little, as I drop it, postcard of just, it's upside down, of obviously like one of the iconic images from the movies. I got a chocolate frog, which I have already opened, because I want to see who I got. And I got Gilderoy Lockhart, iconic. I got this really adorable little Hufflepuff pin, because that is my house, so I'm gonna stick it on something. And I got this really cool, like, Warner Bros. Studio, like, shirt. It's pretty awesome. So, yeah. It was so much fun. Probably some of the most fun I've had since being here. I absolutely loved it, and I'm really, really excited. Probably, like, the best 50 pounds I've spent in a long time. So, yeah. Thanks for following along today. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked my video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up and maybe hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more of our adventures over here. Thank you so much for watching,